Hi, good you're here once again. You're welcome. Today we are going to do something unique. We are going to do a cornflakes smoothie. For this, we are going to need bananas, cornflakes, milk, and yogurt. We slice up our banana. We are going to use one banana. Put in our banana, sliced banana. This is our yogurt. We are going to use a quarter of the cup of yogurt. Then 1 cup of milk. 1 cup of milk. See that? And then a half cup of cornflakes. So we blend our mixture in our blender. This is our mixture. We are now going to blend. We are blending our mixture until when it looks smooth. Our smoothie is ready. See, looks nice. So it's time to pour into our glass and we taste. Wow, wow. This is very nice for a breakfast. If you want, you can add some crunchy cornflakes on top to bring out the beauty the more. Guys, our smoothie is ready. Testing the smoothie. Perfect. This can be your breakfast and it can take you for a day. It is thick, it is tasty, no sugar, it is just perfect and healthy. Well guys, do not forget to always subscribe, like, comment and share on my channel. Thank you. See you next time. Bye bye.